everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I have decorated a table for two. Now today is March 17th, guys. It is St. Patrick's Day, and so I decided to go ahead and create a theme of St. Patrick's Day. So this video is a part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. So Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now let me go ahead and show you what I've done. All right, guys, so let's start on this side because I have my tree decorating collaboration for St. Patrick's Day, and this is my little mini tree. Isn't that absolutely adorable, guys? I apologize for my raspy voice. Okay, so let's go this way to the left. So the two candles and the candle holders came from the Dollar Tree. This vase right here was a thrifted item, and I went ahead and embellished it with BB Craft jewels. Isn't that gorgeous? And all of these florals, these wildflowers, they all came from the Dollar Tree. And that was a couple of years back. So isn't that gorgeous? I am loving that. The back wall, I'm slowly changing that into spring, but the table right here, we gotta keep the focus on the table, guys. Eventually I'll get that back wall totally finished and I'll get my tree down. I may not though. This may blend in with Mother's Day perfectly. But let's go back to the tablescape. So I decided to use, okay, these napkins. I absolutely love the color of these napkins. I think my nails match. All right, so the napkin rings, they came from Kirkland's, and the napkin themselves, I believe they were gifted, okay? So hard to remember sometimes. So I believe these were gifted, and they're beautiful. Now, these dishes, I can tell you, were thrifted. Okay, so there is a special theme today, and was St. Patrick's Day. So whoever joins in, any shade of green is fine. And aren't these absolutely beautiful, guys? I love those dishes. Those were a great score. So this charger, this came from Hobby Lobby. Very beautiful. And so did the placemats. Placemats are beautiful. They came from Hobby Lobby. The utensils here, they did come from Home Goods. All right. Then we have the wine glass. The wine glass came from the Dollar Tree. I like the shape of those glasses, and these water glasses came from the Goodwill. So let's go ahead and layer everything back. All right. Isn't that beautiful? I love these dishes. What a great score. Beautiful. And then this is the salad plates. Okay. Then we have this votive and the votive holder that came from the Dollar Tree as well. So this was a budget-friendly tablescape here, guys. I decided to do the tablescape like this, and I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's head on over to the reveal.